Hey folks, Randy here with Dual Cut and Trim. I just wanted to give you a heads up on a promotion that we run every single year in the month of January. We offer a 10% discount on lawn mowing services when you pay in advance for the year. We have several customers that really love this feature about our business. I think we're one of the easier companies in our area to deal with, and this just makes it even easier. You pay one lump sum in the beginning of the year and you're covered for the year. It's very, very convenient. We have several customers who've been doing it for several years and love it. It's very simple. If you want to take advantage of it, all you have to do is either respond to the email that I sent out letting you guys know about the promotion, or shoot me an email. If you're watching this video, shoot me an email at randy@dualandcutandtrim.com. I'll put a little thing right there, and I'll send you the details on it. Essentially, the way it works, we base our pricing on a 28 service schedule. So if you're a weekly customer, you would get an invoice for 28 cuts, discounted at 10%. If you're bi-weekly, 14 cuts, discounted 10%. You get how it works. And you pay that invoice either utilizing the credit card you already have on file with us, or if you're a new customer, getting that set up, or you can do it by check. However you want to do it is fine. Once we've received payment, we will then put a credit on your account that will automatically get deducted from every time we service your property. We got rained out a lot last year. Some of the customers that we had to cancel services on at various times were folks that had prepaid. So there were two customers in particular that by the end of the season, they still had a credit on their account. And so with them, we offered to either do leaf removal, or if they wanted to apply it to other services, or they could carry the balance forward to the next year. The one customer, she opted to have us clean up her leaves, do some other work around her property. Another customer opted to carry it forward to this year. So if that person takes advantage of this again, not only will they have over $100 account credit on their account from last year, they're going to get the 10% discount this year. So they're going to save, I don't know, it might even be $300 this year, just because of carrying things forward. So it really works out great for everybody. So if you have any questions, please feel free to either comment in the comment box on this video, shoot me an email at randy@dualandcutandtrim.com. You can fill out the form on our website. Just go to dualandcutandtrim.com, fill out the quote request form. We'll get you all the information you need. But this deal is only good for the month of January. February 1st, we're not doing it anymore. But if this is something you'd be interested in taking advantage of, it really is a great savings. And every customer we've worked with that's taken advantage of this program has absolutely loved it. And so, you know, we want to get it out to as many people as we can, not only to save you money, it helps us. So again, I really hope you take advantage of the program. Every year we have more and more people take advantage of it, and everyone's had nothing but good things to say. So I really hope that you'll be able to take advantage of this deal and get the savings that so many of your fellow customers have. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one.